Are you tired of the same old boring contact forms on your website? Well, we've got something that's going to change the game for you. Introducing the Contact Form 7 Wow Styler plugin. Are you looking for a highly customizable contact form styler plugin? Look no further. With the Contact Form 7 Wow Styler, you can transform your forms into eye-catching masterpieces without any CSS knowledge. Change colors, backgrounds, yes, even GIF animations, shapes, shadows, text, padding, margins, borders, and more. Style all your forms from scratch or choose from beautifully designed default style schemes for a quick makeover. Enjoy a live preview of your form as you customize and easily switch templates with a few clicks. No hassle, no fuss. Create unique designs for registration, code, contact, and order forms with ease. And here's the best part. It works with all themes and page builders, including Gutenberg. Page builder? Check. White themes? Check. Browser compatibility? Check. Worried about compatibility? Don't be, because it works seamlessly with other Contact Form 7 add-ons. Hurry up and get started with the Contact Form 7 Wow Styler plugin right now. Still unsure? Check out our quick start video for a detailed review.